YouTuber Elvish Yadav, who was booked in November 2023 and arrested on March 17, 2024, for allegedly using snake venom at a rave party in Noida, is now facing scrutiny from the Supreme Court. On Wednesday, the court said it would examine a complaint against him under the Wildlife Protection Act, noting that permitting popular figures to use voiceless victims like snakes could send a very bad message to society. The bench included Justice M.M. Sundaresh and N. Koteshwar Singh, heard the influencer's plea, challenging the charge sheet and action against him in the case. The bench questioned Elvish Yadav's lawyer and said, if popular persons are allowed to use voiceless victims like snakes, it could send a very bad message to society. You take the snake, play around. Did you deal with the snake or not? Can you go to the zoo and play with the animals there? Will it not be an offense? You can't say that you'll do whatever you want. We are concerned with the complaint under the Wildlife Protection Act. Representing Elvish in court, senior advocate Mukta Gupta said, the YouTuber was present at the gathering as a guest for a video shoot by singer Fazil Puria. She asserted that there was no proof of a rave party or the use of any psychotropic substances. The counsel further submitted that Elvish was not at the alleged venue, adding that lab reports showed the 9 snakes examined were not venomous. The opposing party, however, submitted that the police had seized 9 snakes, including 5 cobras, along with suspected snake venom allegedly used in rape parties. The court asked the state council to clarify how snake venom is extracted and used at such gatherings. The next hearing will take place later in March. The charge sheet claims that snake venom was used as a recreational drug at rave parties attended by individuals, including foreign nationals. Yadav's counsel had submitted before the High Court that no snakes, narcotics, or psychotropic substances were recovered from him. Calling Yadav a well-known influencer who features in several reality shows, the counsel said his involvement in the FIR received much media attention. The matter will now remain open under consideration before the Supreme Court, with further proceedings expected in the coming weeks as the court examines the submissions and evidence presented by both sides.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipat.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत और आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as a more of a glamour role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.